Brute ships. Staggered line. Shipmaster. They outnumber us 3-1.
Then it is an even fight.
All cruisers fire at will. Burn their mongrel hides.
Truce ship isn't taking part in the attack. He must have gone to ground.
Roger that, ma'am. We're on him. Kick the door.
She's a little crook, Sergeant Major. She'll hold.
All right, pop the hatch. That's something. Enjoy it while you can, Marines. As soon as we land, we're right back to it. Priority 1. Secure a landing zone for the commander's frigate. Keep your eyes and ears open. We need all the intel we can get. Wherever the hell we are. Stand to, Marines. Hoorah! Go, go, go!
Check it out, in the sky. Is that...
Hey, focus. We got a job to do.
Chief, eyes on. Got a good angle. You take the first shot.
Sucking human!
Ready to rock?
Let's move! Straight on.
Lovely shot, sir! You are on fire! What? More of them?
The demons still attack!
I'm gonna hurt you. Time for medicine!
My dreadnought cannot rise. Even now it is engaged, turns deftly in the wards of this new world. Do not relent until the heretic ships are smashed.
Everyone okay? Anyone injured? We got more enemy contacts ahead. Move out.
AA battery. That thing will tear the Dawn apart.
I hope you're not too attached to your head.
They're gonna kill us!
They're bringing reinforcements! Team killer!
I love it! Let's kick their ass! Phantom inbound!
Hunters! Look out!
It's over! We did it!
Lauren! No, no, wait! Please don't kill us!
Get your own kill!
Chief, I'm giving the brutes all I've got. But this is a heavyweight fight. Dawn's only got the tonnage to last a few rounds. Find me a place to set her down. Over.
Thrusters are gone! Can't control it!
Flak got our Pelican too, sir. But before we went down, we spotted a good LZ. If we can get to our vehicles, we'll lead you to it.
Someone's sniping! It ain't us! Coming!
I gotcha! Oh no, what? Nice shot! Keep moving, Marines!
Die!
Now, cross the finish. Negative, get out of there.
Right there! Let's get closer and engage! Yeah! Woohoo!
Got enough. Fox.
Negative. Protect the Pelican.
Let's find that LZ. Follow us, sir. All the way down this canyon.
Find me something to shoot. Sit your ass down.
Seraph's on by 6.
Enemy chopper!
All right, drop it down.
Point laser fire, break off. I'm in, I'm in.
Look out! Get some! That guy tank!
Careful, sir. Brutes must have tripped the defensive system.
Damn. Lucas almost got a wing shot off. But we spotted a structure on the other side of this wall. It matches Cortana's description of the map room on the first Halo ring.
A cartographer. Good. Should help us fix Truth's location. Secure the LZ, then we'll push through that wall.
Roger that. Follow my Pelican, Chief. LZ's this way.
Hope they never decide to clean us up. Ghost is history.
We got it.
LZ's through the cave, sir. Watch yourself. Got Covenant heavy armor.
Cargo! Raid!
Let me get a line on. Keep her steady. Great driving. I'm just mowing the lawn. This guy! I got an angle.
Hostile, down!
Trying to clean up this litter.
Reinforcements are here!
Commander, bring her down.
Roger that. Beginning my descent.
Look! Up high! Here she comes!
Is the Dawn rated for atmosphere?
I guess we're gonna find out. Hey, take cover!
Thanks, Chief. Wouldn't have lasted much longer up there. Come to the back of the frigate. Did the elites get a fix on the cartographer?
Yes, ma'am. Just on the other side of that wall. But it's surrounded by brute heavy armor.
Don't worry, I've got a plan. If we can't fly over the wall, we'll go right through it. Chief, take one of the tanks. Lead the way. If you find any locked doors, Spark will be happy to pry them open.
I will certainly try my best. Am I unfamiliar with this facility?
All right, then. You heard the lady.
Shall I have you choose a vehicle, Ridley? This one seems in very good condition. Primitive armor, notwithstanding.
Tank's a tank, Lightball. Mount up! Let's roll! Hoorah!
Let them know we're here!
Hey, how does 90mm and tungsten strike you?
Tank beats ghost. What the hell, buddy? Tank beats Hunter. Phantom! Don't let that damn turret fire with me. Tank beats Oh, now that's just crazy.
I'll get you, you big jerk!
Whoa, hey!
All armor, form up on the lower doorway. Chief, get upstairs. Have your robot pick that lock.
I beg your pardon. I am 343 Guilty Spot, monitor of installation 04.
Yeah, well, you're also our ticket through this wall. So if you don't mind...
I will gladly aid the reclaim's progress. For a doorway to abide such ruthless security protocols. One moment, Reclaimer. There we are. Please follow me. Here, this panel will activate a bridge. Allow your companions to cross below. Excellent. This way. Sudden clarity. These sentinels.
Good work, Chief. Link up with our armor on the far side of the wall. Make your way down to the cartographer.
Preference for destructive acquisition.
Heads up, Marines. You got trouble.
fire in the hopes that more of our covenant will fall. Alas, save for a rabble of heretics and their demon allies, we are all that have made the covenant. Thus, we must suffer joy. In our hearts, those
Back plating looks vulnerable. Light it up!
Not bad, Spark. I saw that explosion from orbit. Truth's fleet lies in ruin. Find where the liar hides, so I may place my boot between his gums.
We'll know soon enough, Shipmaster.
Infantry on the spire! Pop them up!
Intruders! Hey!
Worthy opponent! It's the
Meet the Arbiter at the top of the spire, Chief.
Well done, Spark.
Hey, what gives?
It seems I've crossed a circuit.
Well, let me have a look.
Oracle!
Little bastard stung me.
I did not want you to come to any harm.
Got a funny way of showing it.
Excellent. This way.
Slothful runts. Kill them as they sleep.
Chief, tap him out!
Come, Reclaimer. All you seek is close at hand.
Let's clean them all! Damn! Contact! Hey, everybody! Give me
Your goal is just below. The cartographer. Come, it awaits your approval.
That's our galaxy. We're beyond the rim.
2 to the 18th light years from Galactic Center, to be precise.
What is this place?
The Ark.
This is the Ark?
I had always assumed it was part of a SHIELD installation, but it seems I was mistaken.
That's a first.
Not at all. While I had a complete understanding of Installation 04, my makers wisely limited my knowledge of all other strategic facilities. Compartmentalization, in case I was ever captured by the Flood.
Can you tell me where we are exactly?
Here.
And truth?
Near one of the Ark's supraluminal communication arrays, I'm afraid. Unfortunate. The meddler has triggered a barrier, a defensive perimeter around the Ark's core. The barrier will be difficult to disable. How odd that my makers would place such a comprehensive defense around a single... Oh my.
What is it?
Phantom!
Spark, move.
We must get past that barrier, or the meddler will destroy it all.
Chief, you got a whole mess of hostile air inbound. Get back inside while we take them out.
Follow the Oracle, Spark. I will help your sergeant clear the sky.
Reclaimer!
Sir, Pelican's gonna land 1 level down.
Hey, now I got brains on my face. Tango! Stay on him and finish him off! Mother! No!
Protocol dictates action.
Don't let him get away! Thank God you were here first time. Ready to do this? Ha! I'm gonna make this one into a run!
The pack will feast on you! Pack brothers, do not embarrass me!
Clear!
Hang tight, Chief. We're on our way.
Fight me! I'm right here! You must win this fight on your own. Failure will bring a fate worse than death. Abandonment as we step forward. Gutless animal!
ETA damn quick. Stand by for pickup.
Commander.
Johnson, look sharp.
I got it.
No! Don't shoot! They mean us no harm. Those units have a priority task.
Oh yeah?
And what might that be?
I really can't say. Not for sure. But if you allow me to find a terminal closer to the core.
We must keep the prophet away outside.
But what about your construct? Your solution to the problem? With more data,
Farmer's right. We have priorities too. Until we kill Truth, stop the rings from firing. Nothing else matters.